Welcome back to Art Score. Here I have another color pencil tutorial. All the materials I'm using are listed in the description box below. To start off, take a pencil and draw an oval. Then take powder blue or any super light blue to draw the following lines. At this point, take denim blue or any dark blue to color in the shown areas. Avoid coloring in the light lines that you created earlier. Now draw the highlights using the same color. Remember, the highlights are supposed to be white, so you do not want to color in that area. Now take non-photo blue and color in the shown areas. Avoid coloring on the lines that you drew earlier and the highlights. Take the denim blue or dark blue one more time and darken up some more areas. Now take white and blend out the two colors. Also, use the white to go over the lines that you created. This will help smoothen the lines out and blend it in with the blue around it. Now take black and color around the oval. And remember to keep the line fairly thin. Now take a white gel pen and color in the shapes you drew out for the highlights. Also make two curved shapes on top. Now take a pencil and add the shadow in the bottom left corner. Then take a blending tool, such as brush or a paper stump, and blend it out. A small tip to keep in mind is that the shadow is usually opposite to the highlight. And that is it. This is what the final results look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, share your drawings with me on Instagram so I can feature them on my story.